This is M.2 NVMe with one notch. This enclosure is for M.2 NGFF. Now I want to remove this M.2 NGFF from this enclosure. You can see there is two notches. This is NGFF. If I want to use this M.2 NVMe on this enclosure, but this enclosure is for NGFF only. How to plug in? Cannot lah. Although both of them look the same, but totally is different. If you are not sure what type of your M.2 SSD is, NGFF or NVMe, then you should use this dual protocol, can support NVMe and the NGFF. I want to confirm, is it this enclosure really can support NVMe and also NGFF? Okay, let's try it out. Let's start this NGFF first. Okay, now we put inside this enclosure and we close this front panel. But temporarily, I want to close first. We connect with this USB 3 cable. Yeah, because later we'll try on this M.2 NVMe. Can you hear that? This is a external drive detected. It is the drive, and I can copy whatever file that are from my NGFF. Now let me remove this NGFF and try on this NVMe to double confirm that is it this enclosure can support NVMe and also NGFF. To show you again with these two notches, this is a NGFF, and with this one only got one node, it is NVMe. Make sure screw and lock it firmly to avoid back connection. Now show time again for this M.2 NVMe. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? The drive is detected. Confirm that this enclosure can support dual protocol. Right now, I can copy all my files from this NVMe to my C drive, or I make it as my external drive. From my advice, if you are not sure your M.2 SSD is belong to NGFF or NVMe, and I suggest that you buy this dual protocol enclosure for the M.2 SSD.